if you have these, then you might need these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have with me here my Cobra LTDX Fairway wood, and I have played it a lot, as you can see, because the sticker's still on there. You know, I got this as a prop to demonstrate this. Now, what I want to show you here is that if you have a Fairway wood or hybrid or a driver in your bag, well, you're probably like the rest of us, and you might want something from FRANKTECH. You know, Frank is a very tech knowledgeable guy. Now, I actually picked up something like this. I think it was from PXM, and I really liked them, and they actually lasted pretty well. But when I got new golf clubs, I didn't want to cannibalize my head covers, and so I picked up a new set of these because I thought I would check and see how different they are. Now, FRANKTECH, the difference here is that it's molded right on the front here, sells them, I think, individually, but also in this 4-pack. So you can see we have a 1-wood driver head cover here, and then we have a 5-wood. They have like these little PVC patches, kind of like you would put on Crocs, and little American flags there, which is where I'm from, America, yeah. 3-wood, so we got that, and you can see how it moves around a little bit, but they seem pretty robust. And then an H for hello, or in my case, hybrid. Now, I do want to show you here what they look like. They have kind of a pebble texture. They feel like foam, but not like fragile like foam, if that makes sense. So they actually feel like kind of a molded EVA foam. They're pretty durable but flexible, but yet still have some rigidity. Now, what I love about these is that unlike a lot of other head covers, they are minimalist, right? And so they don't take up a lot of space. So if you don't have a lot of space in your bag, maybe you play hybrids. All your clubs are hybrids, so you have big heads that, you know, take up a lot of space or something like that. But it's not just space for me, it's the simplicity and how well they work. So they kind of wrap around the fairway wood here. So if I take like this 5-wood head and I go ahead and I put the toe in, this is kind of the way I have found that they work best. Kind of slide the toe in there, right? Get the head all the way in and then pivot it and push it up against the shaft here, just like that. And you can see we have these little teeth, so it's not going to work itself off there. But when you need your club, all you have to do is kind of push your thumb here, push this off, and just do the reverse, and then pull it out, and they come out just like that. And in fact, in my estimation, these are easier to get on and off than the cloth or leather head covers or pleather head covers. And the other thing I love about these, you can see we have holes right up here, holes on the back, so invariably your clubs are going to pick up dew, water, mud, those kinds of things. And why would you want to put them back in the fur-lined leather pleather head cover and just get them all dirty? Something like this is going to allow it to breathe and then dry off the clubs, so you're not going to have moisture just sitting on the club, getting all mildewy or anything like that. So I feel like they're actually better for your clubs, you know, keep your clubs from oxidizing or rusting and all that stuff. Now, I do want to show you here that this is a huge head cover. Might not look like it on camera here, but this is a giant 460cc driver, and you can see here, this is going to have no problem going in there and having plenty of space. So you might be thinking, well, Pete, is my big driver going to fit in there? Yeah, I mean, I could put 2 fingers in here on top of where the toe is because there's that much space. So big driver, no problem. If it's a deep driver, no problem. My driver is only going up to about here. You can see where I'm pinching it and just hitting the back tail of that driver. And again, when I want it, just pull it out just like this. But it provides just a ton of protection and real protection. You know, that's what I'm talking about. When these things hit, say if these two are sitting in your bag and they hit like this, the back end, the foam is going to hit the front face there if it's exposed. So you're not even going to have them kissing, because, you know, say they swing around like this, you've got these lips here that are going to impact the woods or your hybrids or whatever anyway. So if you want to pick up a set of pretty high tech but actually effective, minimalist, space-saving golf club covers, I'll put a link to these FRANKTECHs in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.